week, another time for a video for you. My name is Mike Munzing, Munzing Mortgage Group. Been shooting these videos for the last couple of years, trying to give you the latest information on what's going on in the real estate industry, especially the mortgage industry, because that's what kind of the glue that keeps your deals together. We've got some great news for the week, but first, I want to jump in to the rates for the week. Once again, go to my website at www.mikemunzing.com and print up the rate sheet. They have dropped again. When you print this up, you can see how crazy the rates are. Even the jumbo pricing is getting down into the 4% range. I've been pricing out some great loans for you guys, and it is amazing. Don't forget that the mortgage brokers are absolutely still the guys to get you the best rates out there. I'm starting to think that the big lenders forget that we're even here. I heard the other night on the news that Chase was saying, hey, we got rid of those mortgage brokers. No, you didn't. We're still here. We've got the great sources, the wholesale rates, and when you see the rate sheet, you know it's fantastic. We can compete with them. We can beat them almost every time. So definitely give me a call on that. If you forgot, my number is 949-689-5626. I'll get your buyer a great rate. Okay, now for more good news, I want to jump into Stephen Thomas's housing report for the week. Every couple of weeks, Stephen comes out with these numbers, and this is one of the first ones that shows some marked kind of improvements in our Orange County market. As he puts it, the Orange County housing market has begun to heal. And the reason he looks at that, he starts with demand. Now, the demand for homes, which he includes as those properties currently in escrow, has shown strength year over year for the first time since a year ago May, since May 2010. Now, the numbers actually dropped just a bit, but year over year it's the first time that they were better, and that's a number of 2,864 homes currently in escrow in Orange County. And that is about 196 homes less than 2 weeks prior, but 2 years ago that number was well lower. So we're actually shows us an increase in demand. I had to read the report a little bit. Be sure and print that out and read it off my website to get the numbers and the figures here. But it actually does show an increase in health. I think in the next couple of weeks, and I've seen it today. I've got a couple of new deals working just today that we have seen definitely some improvement. And let's take a look next at the housing inventory. That's the homes in Orange County currently listed across all spectrums, and that has dropped about 57 homes to a new level of 11,331 homes. Well, what the drop there incurs, and that's the first time we've seen a drop pretty much all year. What that shows is that the housing prices should stabilize, and that's actually good for our sellers to be sure, but the prices are lower, so it's good for the buyers as well. And as we saw a minute ago, rates are still fantastic, so the affordability is still quite good. And another interesting aspect is that the distressed market, the foreclosures and the short sales, actually dropped since last month. Now, the drop could be the banks. I know we've got some other issues, but it is nice to see a drop in that. What you want to do, once again, print the report and look at all the detailed charts. He breaks it down every which way. You can see zip code by zip code, city by city, the numbers for each market, so you'll know exactly what's going on in your particular area. Now, I don't mean to hamper the good news at all, but in my mind, I showed this to you a couple of years ago. This is a little bit old report, but let me bring up this Case-Shiller chart. This is a 116-year chart showing on the far side from 1890 all the way to when the chart was drawn up here in 2006, and the drastic change here. Let me blow up the back side of the chart here, this side, which really shows 1997 to 2006, the crazy mortgage guidelines, the easy money, the zero down stated income, just blew the housing prices in America off the charts. We always have this to face though. This has not fully been healed. We have not healed from this aspect yet. We're in the process. If you move the chart, if you kept going over in the chart, I'm looking for an updated one. I don't think they've kept these numbers published consistently, but this obviously peaked in the end of 2007 and headed down about probably close to halfway down. But this worries me that we still have some more work to do here, but I never want to forget this chart when it comes to how our market's going to be going here in the near future. But for the week, it is fantastic. The rates are phenomenal. Let's take advantage of those amazing rates. Absolutely call me. I've got, well, right now I'm pricing out a program for everything from a 5, a 7, a 10-year loan. I've got some amazing variety out there that folks are looking at, and the rates are fantastic. So once again, give me a call. Send folks over to my online application. It is the best way to get them going quickly. Should be a gorgeous weekend. I will be working, so keep me on that short list. But God bless you, God bless your families, and God bless America. Absolutely. I know you guys are working hard. I see it every day. Proud of you guys. Let's work together. Bye-bye.